straight with there. Hi guys, so it is actually the 4th of March, it's Wednesday but it's Thursday because it's 1 AM. So apparently me and Klara are going to Heron Island tomorrow, which we've always wanted to do, but we never thought it was going to happen so fast. We got an offer for 2 guys who stayed at the hostel that are going to Heron Island, and they were like, oh, we can bring 2 people. And me and Klara were like, we'll come. So that's happening tomorrow. We're leaving at 7 AM, it's currently like 1 AM, so, and we haven't really packed, but there's basically one resort there and I think we're gonna stay on it. I don't know, but I will bring you guys along. It's gonna be an adventure, so I'm currently kind of deciding what to pack. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. We'll see how this goes, if we get murdered or not. Like, we don't know the men, but guys, we just arrived and the boat ride was supposed to be like 2 hours, but it was like a storm, not stormy, but it was kind of stormy and windy and very rainy today, so it took us actually 4 whole hours to get here on like that little boat, and they actually cancelled the actual Heron Island ferry today, but we made it. And the guys we're with, they're actually so nice and they paid for everything. Like, we haven't had to pay for anything, which is crazy. And like, don't know how rich these guys are, but like, we don't even know them. Like, they've stayed at the hostel once, so this is absolutely crazy. This is the room we've got. It's so nice. Unfortunately the weather is a bit dull, but like, still appreciate this so much. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, we got the front view and there's hardly anyone on the island. It's so nice. There's our little bathroom, this is our bed. We've got this like closet, got a walk-in closet, guys, with robes. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And we're here tonight, it's Thursday, and we're here Friday night, so 2 nights. I'm so excited. And then we're gonna go to the bar. The only thing is you have to pay like $250 for 10 gigabytes of Wi-Fi. And for 250 megabyte, it's $10. Like, no, we're not paying for that. So like, none of our family or our friends are gonna know that we actually made it and are alive. And we just went with 2 strangers, but they seem really nice and we're really happy. Like, we hopped on this opportunity. So now we're gonna go to the boat shop and get like equipment. I don't know if we're gonna do diving or snorkeling.
Hey Carmen, it's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I miss you. Call me back.
We just got back from snorkeling. It was raining, but it was so nice, and I saw my first turtle and it was just I think you see in the GoPro film when, or you can probably hear when I noticed there's a turtle there, it shocked me and I was so scared. I was like, what? And it was just like swimming next to me for the longest time and it was just so cool. So that was really nice. And now we put our robes on, got back. The aircon in here is so cold, so we have to actually open the window, like the door. And we went to the like the island shop, what's it called? I don't know, souvenir shop, and we got some snacks to our room. So we got nacho cheese Doritos with a salsa dip. We got a packet of Tim Tams, and then we got another packet of crisps. I think we're gonna sit out there and snack on it because we're so hungry. We've only had breakfast. Living the life. This thumbnail. Can you have it better than this? I don't think so. Oh my god, it must be rain. It's there. Can you guys see that? It's just right there. Fuck. It's also raining right now. Wow. That's so cool.
We've had steaks with us.
They're good cuts.
Use the card, $40.
Update, we're back from dinner. It was so good. I'm literally so full. I had like vegetables with pesto and baked potatoes. It was so yummy, and I was still full from all the Doritos and salsa and Tim Tams that we had earlier. And then I actually had chocolate mud cake for dessert, and now I'm like food baby deluxe. That was nice. And we had like, I had an espresso martini. It was really good. We had some wine, and yeah, the guys are really nice. They're really friendly, but like definitely not in a creepy way. They're just like friendly, which is like amazing. And we played pool with them and we won. This is like my first time winning pool in ages. Like, I never win pool. I thought I was really bad, but I was actually quite good this go. So that was a lot of fun. And tomorrow we get free breakfast. We're gonna get it at like 7:30. Then we're gonna go out on the boat, do some snorkeling, do some diving. I don't know, there's a shipwreck here that we're gonna see. I'm gonna bring my GoPro, I need to charge it up. And we're also gonna do some fishing, I think, which is cool. Like, I know I'm a vegetarian, but I'm still gonna come along on the fishing because like they won't kill them. Maybe they will catch fish to eat as well, which I'm not gonna say anything about because like you catch your own food, fine. So that would be a lot of fun. We just haven't managed to switch the AC off. So it's still cool in our room, but it's actually nice now. Like, once you get used to it, it's really nice. We managed to trash this room in, I don't know, about 15 minutes, but I've kind of tried to clean it up as well. And guys, look at our fridge. This is literally fridge, girls. This is not actually allowed, but we've got vodka, lime juice, like really nice champagne that we've already drunken up. Tim Tams, the Doritos, I don't know, is looking good. So we're living the life, but the catch is, as I said, $250 for 10 gigabytes of Wi-Fi. And there's no reception, so you're literally out here living the jungle life. Like, no one knows we're alive yet. We haven't called our hostel or our parents to let them know. Like, we're just like, oh, we're going to this island with two guys that we don't really know, and they're gonna pay everything for us. Like, what could possibly go wrong? No reception, no nothing, but we're not getting a weird vibe at all. It's so nice. I feel like you can just tell with some people. There is like payphones, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. They gave us a card, which was really nice, so we can call our hostel and let everyone know that we're fine and everything, which was so nice of them. But I don't think we're gonna buy any internet because like, it's kind of nice to be disconnected as well. I can still take photos and everything. I lived without my phone for a week when it was broken. Everything's fine. It's quite nice to be like isolated from the real world for a while when you're on a paradise island. We're just hoping for nice weather tomorrow. Good night, guys. I will see you tomorrow. I'm just gonna put my GoPro on charge and then we're gonna hit the bed. Good morning, guys. It is currently like 7:15 and we're going for breakfast. The weather looks just about the same today. I'm so tired, but we had such a good night's sleep. It was wonderful sleeping in this aircon room. The sky isn't as dark as it was yesterday, but it's still like very windy. But yeah, it's still looking nice. So straight after brekkie, we're going out on the boat. I wasn't gonna bring my phone, but I kind of want to bring my phone to film the breakfast, and then I might just drop it off here before we go to the boat. I'm also leaving this camera here because I don't want to drop anything on the boat, you know. So I'll see you guys later. I'm just gonna put my hair up and then we'll bring sun cream because the sun isn't even out yet. So we're on our way to breakfast right now. There's so many loud birds here. A manta ray, another one. So cool. Is that his eyes?
Yeah.
And there's two things swimming over there. I don't know if it's, oh, it's turtles. They just came up for air.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home. I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up. Better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is upside down. I can't help but wish that you were here with me right now. These nights are rolling over me. That's not how it's supposed to be. Yeah, I can't stop thinking about you. Yeah, my body forgot how to move. Girl, you took the most of me. I'll just keep on drinking till the sun comes up. Better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb. Till I go numb.
Just got back from being on the sea all day. Actually, not just. We got back at like maybe 4ish. It's 4:45 now. We went snorkeling out to the shipwreck. I filmed. There was super big scary fish there. It was really cool though. Didn't see a turtle today though, but apart from land. I wasn't swimming, you could tell, but I saw lots of turtles and mantas when I was standing on land. I've got some sun, even though it's been cloudy pretty much all day. The sun did just peek out, which was really nice. We went to see if we could book a spa treatment because the guys were like, yeah, do it, like there's a spa here. They were even like, oh, have you got an underwater camera, you can go buy one. We were like, why are you so generous? So yeah, we've been out. We actually did some fishing today, which is like, I'm a vegetarian, so I guess I'm against it, but I also think it's kind of cool if you can catch your own fish and eat it, like if you don't take too many, just enough for you to eat, you know. The others are gonna eat the fish we caught today, which was crazy. Now I'm just chilling out. We just went and bought an ice cream in the bar. Clara's getting ready, I'm gonna get ready. Then we're gonna do a little walk, go to the bar, maybe take some photos. I want some Instagram photos. We also called on a payphone. We called our manager at the hostel to let her know that we were fine. But she figured because she remembered that there's no reception there and like the Wi-Fi is super expensive, so she wasn't that worried, I don't think. Me in my natural habitat of the best view. The dead fly there. What the fuck? That fly was playing dead. Ew, it just started flying when I blew on it. So look at my view. So many manta rays out here. so red. Changing outfit. My outfit, it's all from Ellie's. We have the whole beach to ourselves, so we're just taking photos and it's just beautiful. Sun's about to set. We are in paradise. It's so lovely. Heron Island, I love you.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind. Boy, you're the top of my list.
For breakfast I got omelette, hash browns, and I'm gonna have cheese and tomato on my bread, I think. And I'm probably gonna get more. Breakfast review. Thank you so much for watching. Ah! Hello. That's Emma, a cheeky bitch. That was the end of this video. We went to Heron Island I was in Heron Island in March, like around the 7th of March-ish, so it was filmed about a bit more than a month ago. But I'm still vlogging here, so I look forward to more vlogs. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm so grateful me and Klara got to do that. Like, it was so cool. So thank you to, I don't know, I should probably not say their names, but yeah, it was really funny because some people from Heron Island came back to our hostel in Gladstone and they were like, oh my god, it's you guys, we thought you were prostitutes. So that was a bit weird, but like we knew we were getting weird looks because 2 young girls with 2 older men, like I know how that looks, but definitely nothing like that involved. They were just really nice. Don't do this, kids, because it could have gone bad, but it didn't. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow my socials to stay updated with what I'm doing. Yeah, I love you all. By the way, I think Sunday is going to be my new upload day. You can be expecting videos on Sunday. I will always be posting on Instagram like a day before I post, so you can stay updated with that. Okay, bye for real now.